Alright, hello everyone watching this video. Today we're going to be going over this doctor-patient portal project on my website. So if we come to the main page here, we take a look at my projects, we'll see that this is a web app that allows hospital departments to create cases, assign doctors to new cases, and maintain records on all doctors, patients, and cases. And this is written entirely in PHP and SQL. No JavaScript, nothing like that. Old-fashioned PHP and SQL. So here's the landing page. Let's go ahead and register a new account. I'm just going to show off some input validation here. So blank invalid characters, and if a user already exists, we have validation set up for all these cases. So let's just create something new here. We're going to call this I want Shrek, so I'll just say Farquad. Name Lord Farquad, and password will be Shrek. Oh, invalid password. I guess it wasn't long enough. So Farquad, Lord Farquad, and Shrek is an ogre. Okay, account created. Let's go ahead and log in. Farquad, and let's say we try to enter in the wrong password. We'll say 123 invalid. Now Farquad and Shrek is an ogre, and you see we successfully log in. We have our information right here. The name is Lord Farquad, username Farquad. So let's just take a look here. So let me just give you a basic rundown of what is actually going on here. So on the left we have available cases, and these are all the cases that have been created but have not yet been accepted by a doctor. So you'll see on the right we have doctors assigned for all these cases. You can go to their profiles, you can go to the patient's profile, and you can view all the case information by clicking this link here. So just to show functionality, I'll go ahead and create a new patient. We'll name him Shrek. And let's create a new case with Shrek. Let's find it. Shrek. We'll just do the date and time of current. Currently Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. Critical. And let's say, man, he's ugly. I'm sorry, Shrek, I don't mean it. It's for the video. Okay, so we've created a case. Let's come back to our home page. And you see now that this case has been created. We have patient Shrek, and we can go to his profile, and we'll see all the cases that he's involved in, which is currently just this one, and doctor is blank as there is no doctor assigned yet. So as Lord Farquad, let's accept this case. So when you click accept case, it's going to take you to the manage case page. And here you can add doctor comments, and you can also delete the case if you would like. So I'm going to add some comments. You can say, I sent him on a quest with a donkey. And we'll add the comment. And you see that the text field is populated with the comments you've made, so you won't have to copy and paste or retype comments if you come back to this page at a later date. It will save everything you've already written right here. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. And you see now this case has been removed from the available cases, and it's now in active cases. And you'll see all the correct information. So Dr. Lord Farquad, patient Shrek. We can come to both these profiles, and the only cases involved with both profiles is this one. Okay, and if you come to the case profile, you'll be able to see the doctor comments as well. So let's try to do something sneaky here. So we see these case IDs here. This is case ID 4. So if I click manage case here, we see the case ID up here. So let's say I'm sneaky and I try to type in 4 here. You see, I'm not the doctor that's assigned to this case, so even if I try to do something sneaky like this, it's not going to let me do it. So let's come back. We see the only case we have the ability to manage is that which we are assigned. This one's assigned to Rockstar, these to Robert, so we can't manage any of these. Now, let's go ahead and switch accounts. Let me log out of this one. I'll log into my main account. Okay, and we see that now we no longer have this manage case option for this Lord Farquad, but we now have managed cases for both of the cases assigned to Robert Rutter. So we can manage the cases. Now if we come to manage case 3, we should be able to do that one, right? But 4 is assigned to Rockstar, and I believe we just created 26. And yes, we don't have permission to manage that either. But if we come to this profile, we'll see the correct information. Man, he's ugly. And if we come to the case profile, we'll see the doctor comments of I sent him on a quest with a donkey. So that's basically all the functionality. You can also case search by ID. If you enter in a case that doesn't exist, it will tell you that. Blank, it's not going to let you search. And if you enter in a case that exists, it'll take you to that case profile, show you all the information you want. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I might do a tutorial on how to make something like this, but it's a bit of a large project, so it would require some planning. It'd definitely be a multi-part series, so I'll think about that. I kind of want to do it, but I'm not certain yet. If you would be interested in something like that, you could subscribe and you'll be notified when if I do decide to upload that. So thank you. Subscribe if you enjoyed and you want to learn how to do this. Like, comment, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.